Hey guys, it's Ling. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this baby bear inspired by the baby blizzard bear from the 4th anniversary event of the game World of Warcraft. If you have no idea what I am talking about, no worries, I will be showing you some pictures of this baby blizzard bear. I also want to say happy birthday to World of Warcraft, even though they probably won't hear me say this. But World of Warcraft is currently celebrating its 14th birthday. The 14th anniversary event actually ends today, November 30th, 2018, so I want to make sure to have this video uploaded by today. And let's get started. Let's start with a ball, which is the head. Use a small piece of clay, make a small cone, and then attach that to the head. We will be building the mouth and the nose on top of this small piece of clay later on. Use a needle tool to blend that in with the head for extra security. The eyes of the baby bear are really small, so make 2 small indents above the nose. Because I am working with white clay which gets dirty super easily, I waited till the end to fill in the eyes and make the nose with black clay. For the ears, flatten out 2 small balls. Then cut out the very tip from each and attach the ears to the head. Also make sure to blend in the ears with your needle tool so that they won't fall out. Now I am just using my dotting tool to draw out a C shape on top of each ear to make the ears look more realistic. For the body, just roll out a fat cylinder and make the top slightly thinner than the bottom, and then attach that to the body. For the legs, roll each piece of clay into a long teardrop shape and then cut out the tips before attaching them to the body. For the arms, roll out some even thinner and longer teardrop shapes. Also cut out the pointy tips and attach the arms to the body. Don't forget to give the cute baby bear its tail. Now moving on to the black clay. Make sure you rub your hands constantly on a cotton pad soaked with rubbing alcohol to avoid staining the white part of the bear. Use a small piece of black clay, make an upside down triangular shape, that would be the nose of the bear. Also cut out a small opening right below the nose, that would be the mouth of the bear. And look, the baby bear is smiling! Here I made 2 small indents on the nose. For the eyes, roll out a thin coil, cut out 2 equal pieces. Roll them into small spheres and put them into the eye indents. For each paw, cut out 3 very small and thin cylinders. You also need a slightly bigger semicircle by flattening out a ball of clay and cutting that in half. Next, just attach all the pieces to the baby bear's paw. Make sure all the small parts are securely attached to the body. Put in an eye pin before baking to make this into a baby bear charm. After baking, secure the eye pin with super glue. Glaze the baby bear if you like for some extra shine. Alright guys, so that's all, and here is my little baby bear compared to the baby blizzard bear. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more upcoming videos, and once again, happy anniversary World of Warcraft. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.